The first things I want to speak is about the Islamic Caliphate in Sicily from 800 after Jesus Christ. This caliphate Sicily was a caliphate until 1091, and in this period in Sicily we had a pure Arabic architecture. Arabic mostly, population was Christian, part Islamic and part Hebrew. This is the main church of what was the royal palace of Palermo, and what it is now the parliament of Palermo. The upper part is Muqarnas. It can be in Iran, it can be here, it can be anywhere in the Islamic world. Okay, this is really interesting. This is a tombstone. This tombstone is the tombstone of the mother of a priest. And this priest decided when the mother passed away to write in the tombstone in the 4 languages that people were using at the time in the island. So you have Arabic, you have Hebrew, you have Greek and Latin. But when Italy became a country, we had a separation between church and religion, and there was a lot of rediscovering of it. For example, if you Sicilian people, they think that the best period of their own history was probably the Greek time and the Arabic time. It's one of the countries where the Italian people were migrating a lot. Libya, Tunisia, Egypt. Back to you.